So my friends, good morning, good afternoon and good evening. So today I got Redmi Note 12 4G Tapas and the ROM that I flash on this mobile phone is actually a portrait ROM HyperOS 4.0.0.9 which actually coming with the Android 17. So Redmi Note 12 will get updated to Android 17 if you unlock the bootloader and if you flash this ROM. ROM have a very smooth animation. Well, I just flashed the ROM. I have to give some time, I have to give at least 1 hour so the ROM will get optimized and the ROM will work better than better after giving some time. A small review that the camera is working fine, all the way fine, like record videos or take pictures. The pro mode also working fine. And if I go to portrait mode, the portrait mode also working fine. And if I check the night mode, it is working also fine. And if I tap the more options, so these are the more options that you can see. Let me check the front camera. So the front camera is also working and the portrait mode is also working fine. Take pictures from the front camera, record video from the front camera working fine. So as I said before that according to developer that give at least 1 or 2 hours to optimize the ROM so it will work much better. Now check out the QS panel. So I can see some effects corners on the widgets which looking very beautiful. Well my friends, if you are getting help from my videos, do not forget to like the video, keep sharing it with others. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, click the subscribe button, click the bell icon, click the select all. I really appreciate your contribution. Thank you so much. Google Play Store is provided by default. If I tap settings, well, you will check out the animations and it will work more faster if I give some time to optimize the ROM. So this was a small review of the ROM and watch my further video if you want to see how to flash the ROM on the Redmi Note 12. So to flash the HyperOS 4 on Redmi Note 12, the variant that I have is actually Tapas and you must know that your mobile phone bootloader must be unlocked, right? In case if you don't know how to unlock the bootloader, then you need to watch my tutorial video, and if you are lucky you can get the bootloader unlocked, and then you have to check the battery. It must be charged. In case if the battery below 30%, charge the battery, right? You need to save all the internal storage data, your picture, your videos, etc, etc, your recent call list, SMS, WhatsApp data, etc, etc. Make a backup, otherwise everything will get lost. Go to settings, then go to security privacy and turn off the screen lock by selecting swipe. Your mobile phone must be updated to stock HyperOS once. In case if you are having any custom ROM right now, if you know that your mobile phone was updated to stock ROM once, then you can flash the HyperOS 4 ROM. In case if you are using Xiaomi account, must remove it. Sync your Google account once and then must remove it to avoid issues. Then power off the mobile phone. Links are all provided in my video description. So this is the hybrid ROM. After downloading, must extract the hybrid ROM. I already extract the ROM. In case if you want to flash this ROM with the help of custom recovery, and if you are having any custom recovery already flash on your mobile phone, you can simply boot into recovery, copy this zip file into internal storage and flash it the way you are flashing the other custom ROM. But in my case, I will flash this ROM with a fast boot method that which is actually provided with this custom portrait ROM, right? So after extracting, open the extracted folder. You can see that the batch files are provided. Linux file and the Mac OS and the Windows batch file, right? I will come back to my mobile phone. Always use a good quality of data cable and other side of the cable must be connected with computer. Boot the phone into fast boot mode. Press and hold the volume down key. Connect the cable with the mobile phone. In few seconds, you will see warning screen. Release the volume down key. Okay, this is the fast boot screen. My mobile phone bootloader is already unlocked. The phone got booted into fast boot mode, connected already with computer. On my computer screen, I am already in my extracted folder of the HyperOS ROM, right? I will double click the Windows install and format data batch file because I am using the Windows operating system, right? Double click this file. The command window will open. which will prompt you that the data will get deleted, right? So on the keyboard, press Y, then press enter key. So the flashing procedure will start it. It will take some time. We have to wait here. So the mobile phone will automatically restart when flashing done. The command window will also close automatically after flashing done. So I will close the computer and I can disconnect the data cable from the mobile phone. Now the mobile phone will stay on this Mi logo and then it will start booting to the HyperOS 4 ported ROM. Well, the Xiaomi HyperOS 4 welcome screen finally got appeared on my mobile phone. The changes of the color you can see on my mobile phone. Redmi Note 12, which will not get stock official HyperOS 4, but if you unlock the bootloader, you can enjoy flashing the HyperOS ROM. So I will complete the setup screen. ROM got flashed very smoothly on my mobile phone, Redmi Note 12 Tapas. And check out the icons. The icons color got changed, looking very beautiful, very beautiful. Mi dialer is provided by default with the ROM, the QS panel. And if I tap settings, so the settings interface, if I tap my device, check out the HyperOS version 4.0.0.9, ported from the China flagship mobile phone, Android 17. Hopefully, you will get this ROM on your mobile phone by following my method. Do not forget to like the video, keep sharing it. Do not forget to subscribe my channel also. Thank you, see you again, bye bye.